Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet Pikachu ears. Now for Pikachu ears, first we make a slip knot, and after slip knot we make 21 chain crochet stitches. After completing 21 chain crochet stitches, starting from first stitch itself, in first stitch we will make a half double crochet stitch. In second stitch again we make a half double crochet stitch, and rest all the stitches till end we are going to make one double crochet stitch in each single stitch. Till end we are going to make one double crochet stitch in each single stitch. Now done with the last stitch, make a chain crochet stitch and turn your crochet work. Now turn your crochet work. Now we will make one half double crochet stitch in each single stitch in front loop of every single stitch. One half double crochet stitch in each single stitch using only front loop of every stitch. Okay, this we are going to do till the end of the row. Done with the last stitch, make a chain crochet stitch and turn your work. Make a chain crochet stitch and turn your work. Now starting from the first stitch itself, we will make one half double crochet stitch in first two stitches. One half double crochet stitch in one stitch using only back loop of every stitch. Then next stitch again one half double crochet stitch using back loop of that stitch, and rest all stitches we will make one double crochet stitch in each single stitch using back loop of that stitch. So in each single stitch till end of the row we are going to make one double crochet stitch in back loop of every stitch till end of the row. Now see, here we are done with one lower part of a ear. Following exactly same pattern, we have to make one more lower part of another ear. And now we will make upper black tops, pointed triangular black tops for both ear. Okay, these are two lower halves for left ear. Now for upper triangular black tops, first make a slip stitch. After slip stitch, make 10 chain crochet stitches. Now Pikachu ear tops are like triangles, black triangles, but the down side is tilted. It is not straight, it's tilted. So here we completed 10 chain crochet stitches. Now we will skip first stitch after the current loop on the needle, and from next stitch we will make, in 5 continuous stitches we will make one single crochet stitch in each single stitch for 5 continuous stitches. Okay, after that for 2 stitches we will make 1 half double crochet stitch. And last 2 stitches we will make 1 double crochet stitch. Done with the last stitch, make a chain crochet stitch and turn your work. Now see, as we have to make a triangular top, we will make front post single crochet stitches. Only thing we are going to we are going to skip first stitch and last stitch, and rest all stitches we are going to make front post single crochet stitch in each stitch. Okay, gradually stitches goes on decreasing, and when we reach the last end we will just make a chain crochet stitch and turn our work for every row. Automatically stitches go on decreasing, and at last we are left with only 1 stitch. I will repeat again. For every new row from now onwards, for every new row we will skip first and last stitch, and in between whatever stitches are there we are going to make 1 front post single crochet stitch in each single stitch. Okay, and when we reach by end of the row we are going to skip last stitch, don't forget that. So when we skip and reach to the end of the row we will make a chain crochet stitch and turn our work. Again we will skip first stitch and last stitch. In between whatever stitches are there we are going to make 1 front post single crochet stitch in each single stitch. By end of the row we will skip a last stitch also, make a chain crochet stitch and turn our work. So this gradually our stitches are going on decreasing. So this we have to do till we reach till we are left with only 1 stitch and 1 top is ready. Then we have to stitch this top in on the upper end of the yellow bottom part. So I'll just complete this 1 ear, left ear, and I'll show you. So this is how it looks after completing. Now see, as I said, down part is tilted, so here it comes. See, down part is like tilted, it is not a straight. Now for right ear, we make a slip knot, and after slip knot we make 9 chain crochet stitches. Okay, once we are done with 9 chain crochet stitches, starting from the first stitch itself, we will make 1 double crochet stitch in one stitch, 1 double crochet stitch in next stitch. See, in left side here we ended with double crochet stitch. Here we will be starting with double crochet stitch for only for first row. Rest all pattern is same. Then for next 2 stitches it will be 1 half double crochet stitch in one stitch and 1 half double crochet stitch in next stitch. So it was like 1 double crochet stitch in first 2 stitches, 1 1. Then 1 half double crochet stitch in next 2 stitches, and for next 5 stitches it's going to be 1 single crochet stitch in each single stitch for next 5 stitches. And when we reach end of the row, so here now we make a chain crochet stitch and turn our work. Now rest part is same. Again we skip first stitch and last stitch for every new row, and in between whatever stitches are there we make 1 front post single crochet stitch in each single stitch. And when we reach by the end of the row, we will skip last stitch, we will make a chain crochet stitch and turn our work, and again do the same, and gradually our stitches go on decreasing till the time we are left with only 1 stitch. Okay, so this our right ear top is also completed. When this is completed, we'll stitch it above our yellow bottom. So I'll just complete this thing and I'll show you. So this is how our Pikachu ears look like. So if you have liked my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. And those who have already subscribed, thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks a million. And those who have not yet subscribed, I'll request you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. As you have already seen in my video, you get all instructions with like written instructions, and slow demonstration is given, step by step explanation is there, and like along with this you will get crochet tutorial for many more applique. Like you will get complete crochet tutorial for Pikachu applique, for reindeer applique, then bunny applique, and a crochet curtain tie back. Then if you are starting with crochet, beginner tutorial is also there. So like many things are quester, candle holders, many things are there. So please subscribe Sanjs Aasha. Thank you.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.